Okay, and then we equip the goods. Oh. Okay. Is he still mad? No, he is not. Okay, we gotta redo this. Okay. I completely overthrew that. We're gonna grab this. Put that in. Switch hands. Alright. Okay. Give me that. Okay, I gotta get out of here. I gotta get out of here, like, really bad. Like, now. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, I got it. Yes, let's go. Okay. I thought he was getting close to me. I was like, what? Okay. Nice, nice. And let's go sell the egg. Boom. Boom. $250. Yay. I love my trophy.